I told you guys I'd do a little bit of this and a little bit of that. Basically the jack of all trades, master of none. Today is the reggae day. The rehearsal is over. Today is the day of the performance, and get ready to go out here and play. A little bubble, a little skank on some keyboards. Keep it sexy, keep it moving, keep it grooving. I can't wait to actually get there. Right now I live on a street that is a dead end at both ends of the street, but there is an intersection that allows me to get up into my street. Right now they are towing away abandoned looking vehicles, and I'm pretty much stuck waiting for them to take this car away. I'm not gonna be late as long as they get out of here within the next like 10 minutes. I'll be okay, but I'm a little anxious. I'll take you along for the ride. All right, so I'm hitting the gig right now, walking in. Already put my stuff up by the stage, and guess what? It is like a weird family reunion for me. Being a keyboard player, I'm pretty much like the wild card. A lot of keyboard players don't belong to bands, but they play in bands and they mix and match. And here in Pittsburgh, the reggae scene is kind of small. So what I know of is about 8 different bands, and I probably played in 6 of them. So we got Dr. Finda here. I met him by chance about 2 years ago at a rehearsal he was at. And then well, I'll introduce you to some of the people. The first person is Reggae Bob. We call him Reggae Bob, or Rasta Bob Lamfield. Call him Rasta Bob, but that's Bob. How you doing, man?
Man, good to see you.
You
man.
organized something that was good for the community, man. Yeah. I know it's a lot of worries, but you did it, man.
A lot of work, a lot of love.
Yes.
You know, my heart is full.
Right.
You know.
Now, when I met you, you were taking care of a baby.
Yes.
You were rebuilding a house, gutting it out from nothing.
Yeah.
How many years ago was that?
Oh man, if I was taking care of a baby, it was almost 19 years ago.
Right
because
on.
I just dropped that baby off at Rutgers.
Dr. Finda's in the house. What's up, Dr. Finda?
What's up? How you guys doing?
All right. So I met you at Ivan's house by chance. He was selling some speakers.
Right.
I went to buy some speakers off, and you were rehearsing the band. And y'all were up there killing it.
Oh man, that was the OG, the first time we put anything together in Pittsburgh. Right? And we were running through with Steve Buzzell.
Right.
And him and Ivan, they hooked us up. So
right.
That was the impetus of our Ripper Shredders.
Ripper Shredders, the Ripper Shredders. Sing it, girl. Sing it, girl. What's up, baby? So the Reggae Fest is over for me anyway. It's still going on in the background. Sorry, I'm so hot. It is so humid. But it was a wonderful gig. I got a chance to see a lot of people that I haven't seen in a long time. People who I've sat in with over the years. I'm talking like close to 35 years. close to 35 years, some of these people I've known and seen and sat in with. I'm the kind of guy, like I told you, jack of all trades, master of none. I am not the perfect keyboard player, but I'm the guy who will sit in the groove. I can bubble, I can skank, and I can hold it down enough to where the keyboards are definitely prominent. I don't handle all of the intricate horn lines and all that kind of stuff because I got so much going on. Sitting down and practicing for 6 hours a day is something I can't do. But I'm so glad people have faith in me enough to let me play with them. So I saw the Flow Band, I saw For Yachty, I saw Reggae Bob, I call him Reggae Bob. I saw Dr. Finda from the Ripper Shredders, and I saw a myriad of people that it was just crazy. I saw people who don't even talk to each other hugging. Like it was awesome. It was really awesome. So that's my take on today's gig. Thanks for riding with me on this one. I can't even talk. Guess what? I'm on my way to another gig. So I'll see you over there. Bye.